Today for my sweet peppers. This is my asparagus. You don't want to put green on your bed, but this is so flimsy and frail that it will decompose fast and it won't hurt the plants. Now, what I'm going to do now is go down through my cardboard, which is very easy because it's all wet and soppy. Now, what I'm going to do now is a little handful of compost and a little handful of vermicompost, both of them, to give these plants a start. These plants are mighty small, but I got to get them in the ground because it's awful late in the year. All right. And that's not a good idea. Okay. A little more compost. You don't want to use too much vermicompost here because it retains water. And you don't want to drown this plant, you're trying to grow it. Okay. So the procedure is the same thing. Just reach over, pop a hole in the cardboard, and go on down. The ground is good and wet. A little regular compost, a little vermicompost, and now we got to get another plant in the ground. Now this will have these plants growing, hopefully, and they'll produce before it gets too cold, because peppers is not a real cold weather plant. All right, now, okay, let's see what we got, babe. Ow. Let's see what we got.